One fine day Alia woke her mother up and said, "Mummy, it is so long since you made my favorite coconut barfi. Please make it today. Please, Mummy." "All right, dear. I will keep it ready for you by the time you are back from school. Now go and get ready." Divya went to school with a big smile on her face and spent the entire day dreaming about the delicious coconut barfis. Meanwhile, that afternoon, her elder brother, Dhruv, came home with his friends. Mummy had gone to the market and he found a plate full of freshly made barfis on the kitchen platform. He decided to give his friends a treat, and within minutes the plate was empty. Just then Mummy rang up and told Dhruv to give Divya a barfi when she came back from school. Poor Dhruv, how was he to know that the barfis were made especially for Divya? A naughty idea struck him and he left his pet frog on the plate and placed a lid over it. He left the house chuckling. Divya got home in the evening, eagerly went into the kitchen and opened the plate. A pair of eyes glistened at her. 4-year-old Divya was shocked. She went to her mother and asked, "Mummy, tell me, do barfis have eyes?" "Certainly not, my dear. Go on and eat the barfis." This time when she went and removed the lid, a frog jumped right at her. The poor little girl jumped back in fright and went crying to her mother. She told her mother about the frog, who consoled her and waited for Dhruv to get back that night. When he came, she took him to task and made him apologize to Divya. The next day Mummy made some more coconut barfis, and this time little Divya more than got her fill.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Learn Simple English with 3D Animations YouTuber channel. And feel free to post any questions. We are really happy to answer you. So, see you again with new video. Take care.